guys, and welcome to day 30 of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result. I love the webbing look of this so much. I love it. And so today what we are going to do is a little pour that I created back in October. This is called the Soulmate Pour. I came up with this pour when I was watching a lot of mixed media girls videos, and I was noticing she always does these tree rings, right? And she always kind of poured down the side of the cup, and when she would let the last drop out, I would notice that would make such a huge imprint on her paintings if not become the focal point of it. So I figured, how can I control that? What can I do to be able to control the last few drips that come out? And so I thought about, having it split down the middle, having one of those cups, but what I really needed was for the paints to touch. So I came up with the Soulmate Pour, and the story behind the Soulmate Pour is it's two different colors coming together until they meet in the middle. And then each side is going to create a story, and it's going to pour out together. So it's kind of like the romantic in me naming this. So I like to do rainbow colors. So I'm sticking with my favorite mixture, phthalo blue and magenta. And then I like to switch it up on the side. So since I did silver as the base there, I'm gonna do silver on this side and black on this side. And then we're gonna do this in between each color so that it helps you get the rainbow effect. So phthalo blue and gold instead of yellow. And you can just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be exactly half and half. Oops. I'm shaking. I'm so nervous because I'm so excited about this video. I've been wanting to do this pour for so long because I'm so proud of it, you guys. I can't explain how proud of it I am. All right. And then what we do is we just pinch and we're gonna pour down the middle, so that you're trying to get both sides to come out evenly. Actually, I'm gonna make sure that this canvas is on there a little more evenly. Okay, down the middle. And what I like to do, what I discovered, is swirling it helps it create this amazing look. I did that in my maybe third or fourth video of this when I was trying to create a rose kind of shape out of this, because I noticed that in my first couple paintings that it kind of created a rose like shape, but when I swirled it, it really did. See how those last few drops are they're gonna become bigger. You know they are. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna try to pull it this way, but I'm so bad when I do it like this. All right, I actually kind of like that. I don't want to move it too much because I like how it kind of becomes more and more vibrant towards this end. So I might just lay down some silvers a bit. want it to cover the edge, but I don't want to push it too much, you know? And I have a tendency to do that a lot. All right, I think that's good enough. But do you guys see what I'm saying? Right there. Those were the last couple drips that came out of my cup. And so now they're like one of the biggest parts of the piece. So that's what I was really trying to achieve when I came up with this pour. It's not really a pour, it's like I guess it's a pouring technique of how you layer it in your cups. But I'm really proud of myself for coming up with this, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, here we are for our close-up on this amazing metallic rainbow. Look at that. That is so cool. There's so many waves. It's so awesome. And like, look at that. Look at those drips. I'm telling you, it really makes a huge difference how you layer your paints. And this is just proof of that. I love it when the blue and gold mix and they create like this amazing green right here. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.